a sash, cash, and a trophy, and to be awarded by Madam Yolanda, and assisted by Ma'am Josie and our President, Mr. Alexander Ban, and the President of Kainahan Barangay Hapong San Vicente, Cyril and Mark Paul Padilla. Ladies and gentlemen, this year, Little Miss Pio 2008 goes to candidate number 3. Sino? 3. Okay, sa lahat ng mga nag-attend, maraming salamat. Sa mga medyo hindi sinuwerte, winner pa rin kayo sa amin. The grip of great about that. Mamaya na. Okay, ready, madam? Ladies and gentlemen, our US Little Miss Pio 2008 goes to candidate number... Isa malakas na sigaw, number 3, Miss Aliyah. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our US Little Miss Pio 2008 candidate number 3, Miss Aliyah Wilin B. Nao. Palakpakan tayo po.
Congratulations, candidate number 3, Aliyah Wilin Pina, our new Little Miss Pio 2008. This Marcel Joy Giban, thank you and God bless.
Thank you for your support. Here's Yvette Manansala saying goodbye and good night.
And to all the people who help us to make this event possible, and to our board of judges, candidates, parents, and also to Kainahan Barangay Hapong San Vicente, the Fiesta Committee 2008. Thank you and God bless. Once again, that's the end of Little Miss Pio 2008. See you next time. This is Philip Carlo de Leon signing off.